Hi folks, Darren here. Now today I'm going to cook pizza using my Grillman pizza stone. Now look, this is a brilliant way to cook pizza. This stone's made from high quality cordierite and measures 33 centimeters across. It also comes with a stand and comes with this handy pizza cutter. Now the advantage of using cordierite stone is it gives the pizza that crispy base. Let me show you how this works. First, let's heat up the stone. Now it's important to heat the stone gradually, otherwise it might crack. Now while the barbecue is heating up, you can prepare your pizza with all your favourite toppings. A bit of cheese, parsley, because I don't mind that too. Now that the stone's all warmed up, I'm actually going to use a hot plate liner, which I've cut to the size of the stone. Now what this will do, this will prevent the pizza base from sticking to the stone. Simply place the pizza onto the stone. Now if you don't have a liner, you can also use baking paper. Now I like the liner because it's reusable. And we close the hood and we allow the pizza to bake. I shall remove the liner about 5 minutes before the pizza will be ready. Now this will give me a crunchy, crisp base. Nice! The kids are gonna love this. I'm talking about the big kids.